What foods slow down kidney disease? Kidney disease can worsen silently, but the right foods can help protect your kidneys and slow the damage. A kidney-friendly diet focuses on reducing strain on these vital organs while maintaining balanced nutrition. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 9 foods and habits that can slow down kidney disease and support long-term health. 1. Low-sodium foods. Too much salt raises blood pressure and burdens the kidneys. Choose fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs instead of processed or packaged foods high in sodium. 2. Control potassium intake. When kidneys weaken, they can't remove excess potassium easily. Eat low-potassium fruits like apples, grapes, and berries instead of bananas or oranges. 3. Limit phosphorus. High phosphorus can weaken bones and harm blood vessels. Avoid cola, processed cheese, and packaged snacks. Instead, eat fresh fish, rice, or corn cereals. 4. Choose lean proteins. Too much protein creates waste the kidneys must filter. Moderate portions of chicken, fish, egg whites, or tofu give quality protein without overloading the kidneys. 5. Add antioxidant foods. Berries, olive oil, garlic, and green tea fight inflammation and protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. 6. Include omega-3 fats. Salmon, sardines, chia seeds, and walnuts provide omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and improve heart and kidney health. 7. Stay properly hydrated. Drink enough water to stay hydrated, but don't overdo it. Limit sugary drinks, soda, and energy drinks that can harm kidney function. 8. Eat more fiber. Oats, barley, and whole grain bread, in moderation, help the body eliminate toxins through digestion instead of kidney filtration. 9. Reduce sugar and processed fats. Too much sugar and trans fats lead to diabetes and high blood pressure, 2 major causes of kidney disease. Eat natural, whole foods instead. Knowing what foods slow down kidney disease can make a real difference. By eating less sodium, sugar, and processed fats, and choosing antioxidant-rich, kidney-friendly foods, you can protect your kidneys and improve your overall health. Always consult a healthcare provider or renal dietitian to tailor your meal plan for your specific condition. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.